Okay, hi guys. It is Wednesday, March 25th, and these are my guys. This is Maya. This is Vivian.
Hello.
All right, and these guys are 7 and 5 years old. We're going to be doing some lessons. I know you guys are probably itching to do something. You're probably getting bored being at home. And of course, we want to try and stay active in our learning. So I've come up with a couple things that we can continue. And so what I'm going to be doing is trying to put stuff online. So the unit that we're going to start with is typography. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, so we're going to be doing a couple activities, and we're going to be learning about typography. So typography is, you probably remember we started talking about typography in class, and it's the study of letters. And so what you're going to be doing is I'm going to do some introductions into some of the things we'll be learning, and I'm going to try and give you guys a couple of activities to get you thinking and doing some stuff, okay? So the first thing we want to talk about is some letters. So I'm going to show you guys. We'll learn all of this in time. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this here. So, and I'm going to get my guys here to tell me what letter is that?
T.
T, right. And are they exactly the same?
No.
Why not? What's different about them?
One's a little more exciting, but not so exciting.
Yep.
And one is kind of boring.
One's kind of boring. Which one's more boring? This
That
one? This one here?
The one on the side.
The left side?
Yeah.
I think so too. That one's got, like, what are these things? They're like little hooks. They're like little decorations. Yeah. We call them feet. They're actually called serifs. Okay, can you say that word?
Serif.
Yeah, they're called serifs, okay? And so serifs are these little feet that some letters have. Now, sometimes these are called fonts, and some fonts are like different. Look, my shirt has a T on it. Look, what's that letter?
T.
Yeah,
S-T.
but is that the same as those letters?
No.
No, why not? It's different, isn't it?
It's more exciting.
It's more exciting. What about your letter? You have a letter on yours. There's a T here. What's that look like? More exciting or more boring?
More boring.
More boring?
But it is pretty.
It looks like kind of exciting. It says party, so it's supposed to be a bit exciting,
Yeah.
right? And it even looks like there's like two letters. There's like a T on top of another T, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And what else does it look like? It's like curly. What do you call that? Cursive?
Yeah.
Kind of looks like it's written by hand, right? This one doesn't look like that, does it?
No.
No. Okay. So you can find different fonts all over the place, right? What's a place that we can find like letters? On our shirts? Where else? What's that? What's that? Oh yeah, a game. So card games.
So that
right?
is fun.
So if you look here, so see that? Look, that says Go Fish. Okay, I'm not sure if that's going to show up backwards or not for you guys, but this is a fun one. You can tell them.
That one's fun.
Yep. What's that?
And these ones are boring.
Yeah, this is pretty boring. Look, this is like an adult, like a book called Born something something, and those are pretty boring, aren't they? Is that exciting letters?
No.
No. Okay. Where else do we find letters? What about this? What's this thing? What's that? What's that? Are those exciting letters?
Yeah.
They're super exciting, aren't they? What do they look? What kind of? How would you describe this? What does that look like? Does it look like it's written by hand?
No.
What does it look like?
It looks like it's cursive.
Does it look cursive?
No, it doesn't
No.
look cursive.
It looks bubbly.
It's like a bubble letter.
Yeah, and it looks like it has like a shadow. And look how cool it is, right? So our job is to go and we're going to do two things. So this is for you, class. You're going to go to the website and you're going to watch this video. So if you go to our unit for typography, okay, you're going to skip this for now. Okay, you're going to skip this type in Adobe Illustrator, and you're going to go to lesson 3.2, okay, Introduction to Typography. And what you're going to see there is it says here, pre-homework, okay, and I want you to watch this video, okay, and this video is going to talk about a bunch of different typography anatomy, just some things you're going to learn about, and I'll go over these in class or in the video, but you're going to watch these, and then you're also going to go and do a little activity, and we're going to do the activity too, right?
Yeah.
What do we need for our activity?
Camera.
A camera, or you can use your phone, right? You can use your phone if you want to.
I want to use the phone.
Yeah, you can use the phone, and you can use your camera.
Okay.
Okay, and we're going to go and we're going to take 10 photos of different types of fonts. So we found one on your shirt, we found one on the game, we found one in a book. But we're going to go on a field trip, we're going to find 10 different as we can find. Okay, all different kinds of fonts. Okay, now after you watch the video is going to tell you that there are lots of different categories of type. I want you to try and get as many different styles of type as you can find, okay? And then, so you're gonna kind of have just a quick read of this, watch the tutorial, and then this is your activity, okay? you will be uploading your 10 photos to your blog. Okay, now you know how to do that. Hopefully you have access to your Wix website. If not, you can use Google Classroom to contact me and I can reset your password if needed. Okay? All right, that's it for now. Do that, and then I'll hopefully have a new tutorial for you tomorrow. Okay? All right, thanks, guys. Take care.